Microsoft Viva Insights helps business leaders like you address critical questions about organizational resiliency and work culture. For example, you can see that only 37% of teams across the business have strong cohesion, meaning that a lot of employees are at risk of isolation. Best practices can help break down those silos and create alignment, a sense of shared purpose, and community across the entire company. These insights, generated using aggregated, de-identified data from Microsoft apps and services, are even more powerful when combined with other data sources. That's why we're excited to introduce a new dashboard for joint Viva and Glint customers that maps behavioral insights about how people work to sentiment data about how people feel. This dashboard can help you more accurately identify where teams may be struggling, proactively adjust work patterns, and then measure the impact of those changes over time. We're also partnering to bring Viva Insights into Glint. New capabilities can help analyze engagement data, including comment data, based on metrics such as weekly collaboration hours, workweek span, and manager-employee one-on-one time. Glint Smart Alerts also uses this information to identify employee populations at higher risk of attrition. Viva Insights can also tap into data from third-party tools and services like Zoom, Workday, and SAP SuccessFactors. Viva Insights helps leaders know where to take steps to help their organization improve well-being and build better work habits.